In 1988, People Are Talking did a special report called Satanism. One never knows when one is safe from other groups. Abuse or harm and Satanism is not the same. One would think these people would know details of the rituals and beliefs that would let us know it was not just church folk. Not being normal is not a fair reason to reject it. Paul Valentine is right about seeking personal respect and power. A person could argue that some activities are not part of public and open groups, but a person could also say the greater evil is Satanism, not crime and perversion. No one should have to defend their religion to the claims of random news reports. It seems that these Satanists are more into taking responsibility for themselves than these they are confronting. And typical witch hunt art in our illustration there